Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a time bar in Capcut. First, open the Capcut application on your device and begin a brand new project. Next, import your desired video clip directly into the editing timeline. Then, locate and tap on the Text tab at the bottom of your screen. This is where we will find all the necessary tools to create our time bar. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now, let's add the actual time bar. Choose a text template that fits your style, or simply create a blank text box. Position this box precisely where you want your time bar to appear, perhaps at the bottom or top of your video frame. Then, change the default text to something like 00:00 to represent the starting time. You can easily resize it to about 1/5 of the screen width for a clean look. To make your time bar dynamic, we'll use keyframes. Place your first keyframe at the beginning of your clip, setting the time to 00:00. Then, move to the end of your clip and add a second keyframe, updating the time to reflect the video's total duration, for example, 01:30 for a 90-second video. Capcut will automatically animate the numbers between these 2 points, creating a smooth progression. Finally, let's refine your time bar's look. Feel free to experiment with different fonts, colors, and styles to match your video's aesthetic. You can add subtle effects like shadows or glows to make it stand out. Once you are completely satisfied with your time bar and the overall video, simply tap the export button. Choose your preferred resolution, such as 1080 pixels, and frame rate, like 30 frames per second, to save your masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.